This how to 1 minute will show you how to add automatic table of contents in WordPress using plugin. Follow this step-by-step guide to add an automatic table of contents for your WordPress post. So as you can see, I'm in my WordPress post page and now I want to add an automatic table of contents here. So first of all, log into your WordPress dashboard and hover over on plugins and click on add new plugin. In the search plugins box, type here Lucky WP, and here you will get this plugin Lucky WP table of contents. So all you have to need just install and activate this Lucky WP table of contents plugin. Once done, hover over on settings and click on table of contents, and you will jump into the plugin settings page. Here select general option and minimal count of headings. Select your post headings. So I'm using heading 2, so here I'm selecting 2. Now select, and I'm selecting depth 3, and scroll down. Here you will get title, so I'm giving title table of contents, and now click on save changes, and now click on auto insert, and here make sure to enable auto insert table of contents. And position, I'm selecting before first heading. Post type, select post, and click on save changes, and go to appearance section, and here you can change your table of contents background color, border color. Once done, all you have to need, just go to your WordPress post and reload the post, and as you can see, the automatic table of contents has been successfully inserted to my WordPress post. This is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. How to 1 minute. See you in the next video.